Hey, what's up? It's your boy Louis Sludge back again with another Photoshop video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I created this epic elf image with a glowing stone in her right hand. I'm not sure what that means. It actually looks like a meteor rock from Smallville, if you ask me. Big thanks to Google for providing free and accessible images. This project took me 2 hours to complete, with a total number of 3 images downloaded from Google, 10 adjustment layers, 10 internal layers, making a total number of 20 layers. Big shout out to my girl Miserable Junkie for this epic image. She's a cosplay model on Instagram. You can find her on Instagram at Miserable Junkie. By the way guys, if you enjoy my content, feel free to subscribe and like my videos. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell notification for future uploads. Please enjoy. There you go. I hope you find this inspiring and fun to watch. You guys have always kept me going. Big shout out to each and every one of you who has taken their time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You are the best. May God bless y'all and stay safe during this pandemic. To those who haven't subscribed yet, feel very free to subscribe and like my videos. And I will see you on my next video. Peace out.